Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable DBT incremental models for large tables step by step clearly. To enable DBT incremental models for large tables, start by ensuring you have DBT installed and configured properly. Open your terminal and navigate to your DBT project directory. Identify the model file where you want to implement incremental logic. Add the materialization strategy to your model by including the materialized configuration at the top. Set the materialized value to incremental to indicate that this model will use incremental loading. Define the unique key for your model by adding the unique_key configuration in your model properties. This unique key will help DBT identify new or updated records during each run. Write your SQL query to select the data that needs to be loaded incrementally. Make sure to include a filter that determines which records should be processed in each run. A common approach is to use a timestamp column to fetch records added after the last successful run. Incorporate the appropriate logic in your SQL statement to handle both new and existing records. After defining the query, test your model by running the dbt run command in the terminal. Monitor the logs to ensure that there are no errors during the execution. If your model runs successfully, check the target database to verify that only new or updated data has been ingested. Remember to document your incremental model, explaining how it works and any important constraints. Finally, schedule your DBT runs to automate the process of keeping your large tables updated with incremental loads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.